Welcome to the front of this great house in Peoria. Great cap rate, great return on investment for rental purposes. There's 5 rooms in the main house and 2 additional rooms in an additional ADU on the property. It has 2 bedrooms and a huge living room. A nice wraparound driveway out front. Lots, still room to add. I think it'd be really cool to do a grand entrance, like a hotel style here, over the front door where you pull up under the cover. And some room for improvements later on in the future. But overall, the numbers on this house are great. It's already been remodeled. There's a nice foyer in the entrance, so you could put a bench, people take their shoes off or put their shoes on. The living room, kitchen up there. And the layout for this house or Airbnb rental is very nicely split up. We have another section to put a Christmas tree or wraparound bench right here. And basement, a second living room, hangout area, pool table down there. A second set of stairs to get up to the kitchen and living room there. Double sets of washer and dryers and some storage for linens here. Garage door to the left and a bedroom on the main floor, which is really great. This house has been completely remodeled. They've done a pretty great job. A couple little minor things like that outlet. A couple little things missing here and there. Overall, they did a really good job with the remodel. Everything smells fresh and clean. Paint is in great shape. Good neutral colors. Pretty great material that they use. Some nice granite countertops. Neutral color throughout. You really wouldn't have to do much to this house other than like adding in the decor details that make the homes unique for Airbnb. That really attracts visitors, people to come stay. It makes it welcoming and fun and exciting to come and check out the house. The bedrooms are upstairs, and then the guest house out there. The kitchen has been completely remodeled. There's 3 bedrooms there, 1 upstairs, and then the 1 bedroom downstairs. And then the basement also has a huge area and room to probably add another bedroom down there, or at least add a bunch of bunk beds and stuff in that basement area. It's a pretty quiet area too. It'd be a good place to add in extra additional sleeping area. That is the detached guest house out there with the garage. I'll show you that a little bit later. Nice big stainless steel French door, washer or refrigerator, freezer. Nice shelving here in the corner. Be a great spot to put a little coffee bar, some of your air fryer, toaster, stuff like that. Got gas or propane for your stovetop, oven, microwave here. Everything, all the doors are soft close. So pretty great home and nice and clean, nice style for a rental. Then we can add in some of the details. These windows are new in a really great shape. They've got the sunshades on there. Still, it's in a lot of light in the living room. It's nice and bright in here. They've got lots of can lights. Makes it nice and welcoming. Okay, we're gonna go check out the bedrooms before we go outside. So, bathroom there, shared for those 2 bedrooms on the left. And the master bedroom is straight ahead. French doors, pretty good size. You could probably do a king and then maybe an extra little day bed or something in here. You have a patio to walk out off the master that has views of the pool and the yard. So much space out here to do what you wanted with the the big yard, adding in the entertainment space, gazebo. There's lots of room around the pool. You could add in like a slide or some kind of feature there later. Wraparound stairs, nice patio down there for barbecue. All this has been redone. The deck, the AC is pretty new. It's in great shape. So we'll go into the master bathroom. Double vanities. Nice big walk-in shower. Here it kind of feels like a cave. They've got the double shower heads with a bench. Sit down and relax. Easily fit a couple people in here. Got walk-in closets, toilet there. This bedroom is also pretty large. They all have the kind of the blackout blinds, big closets. Another large room. You could fit a queen size in here. And then the third room here. Another very large size room, kind of a unique shape. I like it. Nice and roomy with a big closet. Then upstairs, oh, there's the bathroom for those rooms. So upstairs, this is a really cool room. Would be great to turn into like a theater room. There is a little space, so technically I wouldn't call that a closet, but this is another room. So I think it'd be cool to put up like make it black in here and do like a theater room, playroom, do a popcorn machine there. There's lots of extra storage here in this closet, cleaning materials, stuff like that. All right, I will take you down here. I want to show you the garage really quick. It's a standard 2-car garage with some storage shelves out there. I love here how a lot of times with Airbnb they'll ask, like if they have older family, whatever, staying with them, sometimes they don't like stairs, and it's really great that there is a bathroom or a bedroom on the main floor, a full master suite here. So if they have older folks with them that don't want to do stairs, this is where great spot for them to be. Nice covered patio here, access to the pool. This is the bathroom that most people would be using for while they're at the pool. So we'll go downstairs here just so you can see the basement. Nice wide stairwell. So really large area, spot to do like a bar down here if you wanted. Add a sofa and some bunk beds there in that corner, some shuffleboard. Have this be a game room / bunk room area, but you could add a closet there and kind of wall this off and actually make it a true bedroom down here, and maybe do like a whole another like separate living space, like apartment down here. If you wanted to do like add in water, do like a little kitchenette. This area is really large, so there's lots of space to do whatever you want to do. Right now they have the pool table down here, so I love that area down there. Makes it really great having kind of some separate hangout areas, so the house is packed full of people. You have different areas for people to be hanging out, and it's not feeling like everyone's on top of each other. This would be a great spot to do a barbecue. Then you have another separate covered patio down here, added sectional, little fire pit table, something like that down here in this area. And then guest house out there. They had a palm tree here, they cut that out. You could add a whole bunch of palm trees like along here that would grow really tall eventually, add some more privacy. That would look really nice and luxurious out here around the pool to have those palm trees around. Lots of room for lounge chairs. You have all this grass area. The well is right there. That is an above ground well. It's drilled 536 feet. And then they have a propane tank, another AC unit, and their pool equipment here. Take a closer look at that. Looks like that filter is brand new. Looks like they've been doing some maintenance on the pool equipment. So they've updated some of this as well. Control panel, and they do have, it looks like, a Wi-Fi connection, or you can control the equipment through Wi-Fi on your phone. So that's a nice feature, especially for Airbnb rental purposes. So lots of opportunity to add in some really cool features here in this yard. It's a large space, a couple different spots of like different elevation where they built up the grass, and then you have that huge area out here. They've done some gardening. They do have solar, paid solar. So you have paid solar, you've got some new AC units, new pool equipment. Solar is paid, so all your utilities are relatively low cost. They have electrical running out here, so if you ever wanted to add in anything out here, it'd be really easy to do. They got some garden beds. There's solar hookup here, AC units. You've got more opportunity with this land out here to add in something else. Go check out the bedrooms. You can see there's a little room for some touch-up paint and stuff like that. This little stuff. And then this is the guest house area. So you could rent this obviously as like a separate like unit. So you could give your guests the option to pay more to rent both of them, or rent each of them separately and then kind of link the calendars. And really big space. You got living room there, space to do like add in another bedroom or something, or pool table, nice kitchen, really big rooms. So 2 bedrooms and a full bath. This is the bigger of the 2 bedrooms. I had to do a voiceover. I was using a microphone and the sound didn't work. So I have to go back through and do a voiceover. But this is done really well. I can figure out what year this was added in. But lots of room for beds in that room. You have this big room here as well. Nice full-size closet. They've got a couple different types of floors, just to point that out. One type of floor, carpet, and then a different floor there. Nice sized bathroom. Can add in some nice decor and make this bathroom a little nicer. I do love the travertine tile in this bathroom. It's really pretty. And then yeah, it's a really big kitchen. And then we'll go take a peek at the garage over here. So you got a separate door, garage door here, and this is so cool. It goes so far back. You could do like a bowling alley or something like you had talked about. Here they have a washer and dryer, plumbing there. I think it'd be really cool to do a glass door there that opens up to the outside area. You could do some really cool stuff out here in the yard, and then maybe paint this black, sand down the cement, do like a stamped concrete or epoxy type flooring, easy to clean, and have this be like a whole nother hangout cave, like a man cave or game room cave area. You could do so many things out here. So many ideas. He was talking about the irrigation. So it's irrigated, and they do have a sprinkler system as well to water the grass. So you don't have to use the irrigation to water the grass, because it does have sprinklers as well. Storage there. So I think this house has some really great opportunity. The numbers look good.